Fall in love with another caste, get blown in a bomb blast. Satisfy the seekers of men or just be born as a woman. Days to die. Such a dumb ways to die. Such lazy ways to die. Flash floods and tsunami, open your door to the enemy. No clothes, no shelter, no food. Say no to love and spoil his mood. Days to die. Such a dumb ways to die. Such lazy ways to die. Too much sweet, too much hot. Whole city gets covered in fat. Don't pay your husband for marrying you. Muslim, Christian, Sikh or Hindu. Days to die. Such a dumb ways to die. Poisoned eating free meals, get hit by automobiles, fall into an open drain, crash land in a plane. Days to die. Such dumb ways to die. Buildings fall, buildings burn, be a brother from the northeastern. Just simply take a breath. In India you can't cheat death. Dummery ways to die. Racey ways to die. Dumbest desi ways to die.